2 cent. And get my money ready. Oh, one more. All right, I can put my money back. Hey y'all, we're on. Guess what else? Ghengis Khan, Dragon Link. There's your progressives. This is the biggest major on our bank of machines here. So maybe we can hit it. I've never hit a major at Foxwoods, so let's go. We're gonna start on this 250. I know a lot of y'all think Ghengis is hard. Oh, nice little line hit to start. And I wouldn't disagree with that. We have a machine in Vegas that we have found that just continues to pay us, but others can be hit or miss. We need 2 of these. And he's wild right there.
Ding dong.
Okay, line hits. Seeing some bonus symbols. Haven't seen fireballs much. Haven't seen, oh, there's one. One more? Come on. I know it's hard to put in 100 and expect much on the size bets we're doing. Ooh, that's a loud machine. That is Ultimate Firelink, I think. Firelink is really popular up here at Foxwoods. Alright, I'm not seeing a lot on this 5 cent, so let's try 10 cent. I'm starting to really like this 10 cent. Those minors, majors, excuse me, minis and minors are usually really good when they hit, if they hit. Okay. Fireballs and bonus symbols. Oop, I didn't really mean to do a $5. It's hard to do $5 bets with only $100. So I'm already about halfway through my money here. Not seeing much. Y'all give us a thumbs up for luck here. Oh, a lot on that screen. Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, we thank all of our subscribers. We really appreciate y'all and all your comments. I did it again. Almost had it too. All right, let's go to 1 cent.
Ding dong.
Oh, come on. Or at least we're seeing some fireballs here. Oh, 3 more. Yep, looks like I'm gonna have to feed Ghengis a little more money. Bang. Boom, boom, boom. They're actually playing some good music. Well, 2 cent. And get my money ready. Oh, one more. All right, I can put my money back. Oh, shoot. I'm on the dollar. But look, these are big numbers for $1. That's hilarious. Look at that on a dollar bet. And that's $50. Well, who knows? If I wasn't on $1, I might not have hit it. I don't know.
That's true.
All right, come on. One more. Save it right here. Save it. Okay. These are really, yeah, these are, and that's $4. These are really good on a dollar bet, guys. So you can win on $1. Okay. Oh, I got the trumpets. Nice. That's amazing for a $1 bet. That's 140 times my bet. Look at that, guys. On a mistake. Accidental bet. How about that? Thank you, Ghengis. We love you. I'm still doing it. What am I doing? Okay. It's probably gave me all it's going to give me on this 2 cent for a minute. Okay, how about, let's go back to 5 cent. That was a good bonus, man. I was about to put more money in. Dog. I have no idea what he's saying. Sounds like you dog to me. Oh, 28.50. We are. What he says, as long as he pays. That's right. We are moving in the right direction. Oh, do those. He teases unmercifully. Come on. All right, so we've had the fireballs. Now let's see Ghengis. Oh, there's that miner again. Oh, that miner was on Golden Century earlier. I go from one machine to the next, then I start forgetting what I did and where. All right, we're back where we started. Come on. All right, Ghengis. Let's try him one more time on the 10 cent. Oh, 3 more. Two. All right, I know you want to do something. Oh, you could have done that one.
Ding dong.
One more. All right, back to the penny. Oh, 3, 3, 3. Oh, do those.
Oh my goodness.
Jeez, come on. Oh, come on. 2. Yes. Okay. Not quite as large as the others, but that's okay. Yeah. Come on, drop those big ones. Got 125 again. Come on. All right, 25. I saw the miner. All right. Big numbers. Bring big numbers. Except those two. Come on. Last. Ooh, good. There it is. Okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Come on. Grand jackpot. Come on, do it. Do it. Yeah. Okay. That is a good bonus. Cha-ching. So nice, just watching that coins rain. All right, let's smash it. Ha! We have more than doubled our money. All right, we'll play a little longer here. Let's try 2 cent. I think I bonused on 2 cent, but that's okay. We still haven't seen Ghengis yet. 2, 2, 2, 2.
That would have been stout.
Yeah. It knows what it's doing. And there's the Ghengis. Come on, Ghengis. Well, that's a good Ghengis too. Big fireballs. Oh, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Oh, I'm a little loopy this morning. Okay, one more. This 2 cents pretty active here, babe.
$10 on it.
I know. I would love to see Ghengis on a horse or 3 fireballs. He keeps showing up.
You sure do get to a lot.
I know it. I get to a lot. One more? Yay! I got it! That's what I thought. He wanted to pay. Well, I hope he wants to pay. He definitely wanted a bonus. All right, here we go.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, multipliers. Multipliers. All right, don't disappoint us. He's gonna disappoint us. Yes, it is. Wow. Okay, jacks. A little bit there. Wow. Okay. About 10 times my bet, but that's okay. We can keep playing. Oh, I meant to stop right there. I'll give it one more here. All right. Oh, I know I'm on an odd number, but I'm going to cash out right there. I've made $147.54. We're going to move on, see if we can keep making money this morning. It's been a great day. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you're feeling lucky. Have a good one.